Throughout my childhood, I was bullied, abused, emotionally abused, and physically. The people in my life that were supposed to love me, that I was told that loved me, that really cared, were constantly telling me that I wasn't a good person, that there was something wrong with me for the way that I am. Ever since I was born, I was told that I needed fixed, that my differences make me a problem to the world, and that I don't have anything to offer unless I change and conform. How are you to love people and to feel love when the same people that you're told to love your entire life are constantly hurting you, constantly pushing you down, telling you that you're not good enough? And then there are those that say they love you, but they turned their face, they looked away when you needed help the most, and they only came around and wanted to seem to pretend to care because they needed something from you. They wanted something in the long term. And then you bring this up to them about what's happened or the things that you deal with. They don't want to take responsibility for it. They still, to this day, want to place the blame on you. And yet to tell you that you need to be accountable for your life. They tell you how you should live, how you should be. And you look around at all the people that are living their life the way that everybody's telling them to live, and they're not happy. They're miserable. That's not the life that I wanted. It's not the way that I wanted to be. So throughout my life, I was emotionally abused. I was physically abused and hurt by people around me. And namely the people that were supposed to love me and care about me. For all the people throughout my life that have hurt me, that have told me that I'm not good enough, that I'll never get anywhere, that constantly abused me and dragged me down and told me I would be nothing in life, thank you. Thank you for telling me that. Because the constant struggle to push myself to be better and all the bad things that people have done to me throughout my life, I'm going to use that to push myself further than they could possibly imagine. And then when they look and see where I'm at, I'll smile and say, thank you. Thank you for all the pain that you've caused. It's gotten me to where I am today. Thank you.